guys, how's it going today? Thursday, May 28, 2020. Please, tomorrow is Friday. Very good. So, guys, what do we have to do? You have to go and get your science book on page 62 and you have to write this date, okay, on top. After you write the date, yes, I am going to explain what we have to do here on 62 because it's just a short evaluation about the contents we have been checking, okay? But don't worry, I'm gonna help you. In front of you, you will see the page because I will tell you step by step, okay? For the first part, which has vocabulary comprehension, you will choose from these words that you see there. You will choose, you have sun, you have shape, you have light, you have size, you have colors, okay? You have to choose the correct word according to the sentence, okay? The number one says, find the object each child is fishing for and complete the sentences with the word. So, the letter A, the blah blah blah, is the most important object that produces energy. What do you think is the most important object that produces energy? The sun, the shape, the light, the size, the colors. Which one is the most important that produces energy? Choose one, please. And you can cross out the one you're using. Letter B. An object can be big or small, or round, or square. It can have different sun, shape, light, size, or colors. Choose one, please. Letter C. You can see different blah 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 in matter. Okay, choose from the 5 words you have there. And the last one, blah blah blah, is the energy you can see. Okay? Now, let's continue with the second part, which says, explaining the concepts. You will choose T or F. The T means that is true, is correct. But the F means false, that is incorrect, okay? So, the letter A, energy is the power that produces light. The energy is the power that produces light. Is true or is false? Choose it, please. Is correct or is incorrect? The letter B, sound and heat are ways to group matter. Okay, when we have different kinds of matter, can you group them in sound and heat? What do you think, true or false? That's your decision. Then, in the exercise number 3, it says, look at the picture. You have 3 pictures, and you have to put a check mark in which picture you can see heat. Remember heat, it was when you feel hot? Okay, in which picture can you see heat? In the fire, when you are cooking the food, or the match? Well, the match that I don't see fire, you can produce fire, but I don't see it there. Or can you see in the flashlight, can you see energy? Just choose where you see energy. Okay, you can choose 2, 1, 3, whatever. So, the last one. In the last one, you have to check your backpack. Please go and get your backpack and tell me how tidy is organized. I mean, tidy means when everything is in order, okay? Observe the matter you have in your backpack, observe the objects you have there, and classify the objects and organize them into different pockets. Mention your family members the way you organize your backpack. For example, you can see, okay, I have these books because they have the same shape. Okay, a package of books, and then a package of colors because they have the same shape, etc. Okay, guys. Well, after we finish the questions on page 62, what do we have to continue with? We have to continue with 63, talking about the new subject. Let me introduce the new subject. The new subject is movement everywhere. Okay, what is movement? When you move things or when something makes that things move. For example, if I use my body parts, I can move the things from one side to another, okay? I can use my hands and move things, okay? When you use your body parts, you can move things. Yes or no? That is easy to understand. The object number 2 is the wind, okay? I can use the wind, check. And I can move things using the wind. Do you understand? Really easy, right? Okay, the number 3 is the water. Do you think I can move things with the water? Yes, I can move things with the water. Check it out. Check. I can move things with the water. Do you see it? It's really easy, okay? So I can move things with my body parts. I can move things with the wind. And I can move things with the water. That's easy to understand. Guys, before we continue with the new words, we have one picture on top. This picture, yes? What do we have to do with this picture? You have to observe. You have to observe the picture because the first question I have about this picture is this. What makes the balloons move? What do you think? What do you think moves the balloons? The option 1, clowns. Option 2, air or the clouds. What do you think? What do you think makes balloons move? Okay. Question number 2. Why are clowns moving? Okay. Option A. They have energy which makes them capable of moving. Option B. They are playing, or option C. Clowns make funny things. Which one do you think is the correct thing? Okay. Now, in the number 3, we have to continue with the new words I want you to understand. The number 1 is they are kind of forces, okay? We have many kind of movement, yes? So, the first kind of movement is push. You will see, Josh is gonna help us to show you the force, the kind of movement push, okay? When you push something, you have to do like this, push, yes? And the word number 2 is pull. Okay, Yoshi, please pull the car. Okay, Yoshi's gonna pull the car. Yes, pull, 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 pull. And now push again, push, and pull. Do you understand? Push, and pull. Thank you, Yoshi. Applause for Yoshi, very good. Okay, now, I am going to show you another example of push and pull. For example, if I take this disc, I'm gonna, check it out. I'm gonna push or pull. Push and pull. Do you understand? It's really easy. Okay, the number 3, the movement number 3 is straight. I'm gonna show you. Okay? This kind of force has only one direction. You will see straight, straight. That is one direction. Do you see? Okay, very good, Helper. Let me continue with the next kind of movement, which is the number 4. The number 4 is back and forth. For example, this kind of movement is back and forth, 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 okay? When you go to the park, you can see the swing, this is the swing, and they have the same kind of movement, back and forth. You see the option? Very good. Now, the number 5, zigzag. Zigzag is when, for example, when you see a bee flying, it flies in many directions, just like this. So, they fly, or the bee, they make movement of zigzag, okay? Zigzag, what you see right there in your screen. Okay, then the number 6 is spinning, okay? I'm gonna show you, well, first with the blade. I have a blade here, and I am going to spin the blade. This is a spin. Do you see? This kind of movement is a spin. There is spinning, okay? Or you have another one. This is, oh my God. This is spin, look, check it out. This is spin, or this kind of movement is spin also. Okay, let me do it again. Do you see it now? Okay, this is spinning. Do you see it? Okay, very good. Now, the next one is the number 7. Okay, rolling is different. This is roll and this is spin. Do you understand? Spin and roll. Yes, again, spin. Oh my God. Spin or roll. Really easy, right? Okay, let me continue with the next exercise. What do we have to do? You just have to rewrite with a pencil the words you have in this part, because after that you will see the pictures that they are related with the words. For example, straight, one direction, back and forth, two opposite directions, zigzag from side to side like the bees, spinning like the blade or the ball when it's spinning, and rolling moves along a surface like the tires of the car. Okay, now please guys, do me a favor, go to the next page, which is 64. Are you ready? Write the date. Yes, because we have to review the kind of movements. Really easy. Okay, for example, you will see the page right there in your screen. So the number 1 is push. Okay, what is push? Push is when I run or swim straight or pushing my body, I feel really good. We have another one which is rolling. Yes, my wheels move by rolling along to finish the line. Okay, then we have objects move forward, objects move back. Oh, these are the movements I make with my back. That is back and forth. We have another one which is pull and push. Push and pull are forces that help me when I dance. Yes, when I dance, they make my body spin and spin until I become the star of the show. That is spinning. Look, the girl that is spinning when she dances. Then another one is pull. When I lift my shoes or my toy boxes, I'm pulling with my body and I create a force. Okay, so guys, after this definition, we have a quick laugh. Yes, I want you to see this short video. I want you to see a video because we have some questions about the video. Okay, check the video please. Okay, did you like the video? He's really good, right, with the yo-yo. Okay, what do we have to do after you watch the video? Check, we have some questions about the video. The number 1, it says, the yo-yo, when the yo-yo goes down, is because I push or I pull. What do you think? When I take my yo-yo and it goes down, I pull or I push? What do you think? I push or I pull when it goes down, okay? Choose only one and circle. The question number 2 is, when the yo-yo stays down, it is spinning. When yo-yo stays down, yes, is spinning or is rolling? Is spinning, or is rolling? What do you think? Okay, the question number 3, which is the last one, the yo-yo comes up because I pull or push. When it goes up, I pull or I push. What do you think? Okay, those are the questions for the video. And we have another one that says, the number 1 is a spinning top. Okay, a spinning top is this object, but I don't have a spinning top. It's in the classroom, but I am going to use the blade, okay? When the blade spin, yes, when it is spinning, Option 1, it moves from side to side, by itself, or in one direction. Okay, check on page number 63, and you have the meaning of the movements right here. Just check. Spinning goes from side to side by itself or in one direction. Okay. The number 2 says the rollerblades. Oh, I don't have rollerblades. Oh, helper, can you send me the rollerblade? Please send it. Very good. This is a rollerblade. What do we have to do here? The rollerblades move straight, rolling, spinning, or all of them. What do you think? Straight, rolling, spinning, or all the kind of movement you hear? What do you think? Okay, after the questions you answer, what do we have to do? This is the last thing we have to do. You have to go and get your orange notebook, write the date, and divide the page in 4 equal parts. Okay? The number 1, you will have to write spinning. Do you remember the movement spinning, like the blade? Okay, you have to draw whatever you want that makes that force spinning. Do you understand? The number 2, you will write zigzag. Okay, and you have to draw something that goes like this in zigzag. Okay, the number 3 is gonna be pull and, well done, back and forth, back and forth, and forth, back and forth. What objects makes that movement? Okay, back and forth. What object makes that movement? Back and forth. And the last one is gonna be exactly that one. Push and pull. Push and pull. In which object can we see this kind of movement? Push and pull. And that's it. After you write it, you have to draw it. Don't forget, you have to draw it and color. And that's it for the science class of today. Guys, remember, the next week we are going to continue with the science, and maybe we will have time to do experiment, okay? Just wait for it. For today, Thursday, that's what we have to do. We see you tomorrow in the Zoom because we have some questions, and I'll see you then. Bye!